Hey guys. I'm gonna be singing "Payphone" by Maroon 5. I don't know if I'm gonna do the rap part. I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my chains I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. Say it's too late to make it. Is it too late to try? In our time that's wasted, all of my bridges burned out. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my change I spent for you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all the fairy tales are full of this. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Oh, you turn your back on tomorrow. You forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be right. Don't expect you to care. I know I said it before, but all of my bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Happy ever after did exist. I would still be holding you like this. And all the fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone. Thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that Payphone by Maroon 5.